a versatile and reliable deck-over trailer that won't break the bank? Check out the 14OE 14K over-the-axle bumper pull trailer from Big Tex Trailers, a key model in our all-new Nomad series, designed to deliver high performance and exceptional value for transporting large materials and equipment to the job site. Let's explore the standout features that make the 14OE an unbeatable job site partner. The 14OE is built to last. Constructed with a 6-inch channel frame and tongue, the 14OE is engineered to withstand the rigors of the most demanding tasks, day in and day out. The 14OE features a 102-inch wide deck and a 35-inch deck height, providing ample space and stability for hauling heavy supplies and machinery. With its full-length rub rail and stake pockets, this trailer offers all the tie-down points you need to securely transport your load. In addition to its hauling capabilities, the 14OE also allows for equipment transport with its standard slide-in ramps, giving you the flexibility to load equipment when needed. Hitching to your truck is straightforward and secure, thanks to the adjustable 2 5/16" coupler working in tandem with the 7,000-pound drop leg jack to provide solid support during setup. To ensure a smooth and reliable haul on the open road, the 14OE is fitted with tandem 7K axles with forward self-adjusting brakes and 15-inch radial tires, promising optimal performance and reliability on every trip. Best of all, the 14OE is built with the same quality and attention to detail that has made Big Tex the #1 professional-grade trailer manufacturer in America. You can trust that this deck-over trailer will stand the test of time. Visit BigTexTrailers.com today to learn more about the 14OE, locate your nearest Big Tex dealer, and see why Big Tex is with you for the long haul.